This is a Mosin Nagant. It shoots bullets, real bullets. Pull the bolt back and then just put the bullets in the internal mag like this. You could have a stripper clip, whatever. And then you push it back in, and then you close it or you lock it. Then you got here, and then Verdi, ears, just so he covers his ears, and then you shoot. Nailed it. Once more. I'm getting better at this.
Right, Verdi, right, damn it! Right! I like this. This is fun. I should get a four-wheel drive truck.
Dude, this is what we do on the weekends up in Idaho. Driving our way to the shooting spot. So a review of the Mosin Nagant 9130. It's a Russian bolt-action rifle. Pretty old, as some of you know. This one came from surplus.
It's like 80 years old.
It's pretty fucking old. You know, for an 80-year-old rifle, it shoots alright. It was cheap when I bought it. They're a little bit more expensive now. You can get them for around $300 to $400, but bought mine for about, I think, $100 on sale. So they also have, you know, modern ammo for it. Just want a higher quality ammo that isn't corrosive. I mean, not to mention it's been out for so long that there's so many different parts you can put on it. You can go online, order different barrels for it, different actions. You can get a new bolt handle if you want a bolt, bent bolt for if you want to put a scope on it and shit. The bayonet goes around the top of the barrel and it latches into the front sight, which is not a very good design, but that's just how it is. So much shit down here.
I hit it right down the middle. Heck yeah.
Shooting today. I'm shooting guns. Oh yeah.
Loading the thingy. I can't hear anything. Like,
I'm gonna go take a shit out in the desert, because that's how real men do it. Tips on picking a good shitting spot out in the middle of the fucking middle of nowhere. Find a bush. Just kidding, don't find a bush. There's probably a snake in there. Find a clear area, check for snakes, check for spiders, check for fucking lizards. Fuck lizards. Plant your ass down. Don't actually sit on the ground and shit. It'll be real messy. You gotta do a squat. Gotta do a squat. Oh! Another important lesson. Take off one leg of your pants and swing it over. You don't do that, you're just gonna shit straight in your pants. It's a mess. It's fucking horrible. The last time I took a shit out in the middle of nowhere, I was up in the woods drinking with some buddies. And it was early morning the next day after I was super hungover. You know, I got those hungover shits. You know, where you're just basically pissing out your ass. So I spent like 40 minutes back up on the side of a tree. Oh, that's another good tip. You out in the middle of the woods, you have a tree, lean your back up against it. But anyways, yeah, I was out there for like 40 minutes. It's like 6 in the morning, completely dark out, scary as fuck. But after it was done, my God, I've never felt manlier. Anyways, I'm gonna go take a shit now, so you can go back over there. Pro tip, just found the perfect spot. It's like a built-in toilet seat, man. You gotta check for snakes and spiders though. One, two.
Bernie, watch out!
There's snake holes. I'm not shitting here.
We've been trying to cross the border for, this reminds me of the time I came to America.
Drop a deuce or what?
Drop a fucking deuce!
Get the fuck back over by the car! Can't even drop a deuce without these assholes falling around. God, my gut hurts.
This is a Armory's custom. I'm joking. There's no way they could do this such good work, right? This is too good work for them, man. You used to be able to pick one up for like $150, but now they're like $300. I don't know. I'd get a shotgun. If you want a cheap rifle, you can get these for real cheap. You know, just get one of these. Why not? Or you can get a Maverick, the 88. It's like it's a poor man's Mossberg 500. Ever since I was just a wee little laddie. He's right to the right of the rock. You can't see him right now. I'm holding a rangefinder, and this is the only reason I can barely see him right. Oh, there he is. Oh, he's going. Oh.
Pro tip. There's no comfortable way of taking a shit in the desert. You just find it and you just deal with it. And always wash your hands.
It's made of wood, legit wood. There's steel. Shut the fuck up. It's made of steel. It's pretty light for how. Yeah. It's a legit Mosin Nagant. What do you want from it? It's old as shit. It's scratched. It's dented. Look at that. We're missing the screw. I'd buy this thing if I had the money. $300 ain't bad.